Hi guys, so today I'm going to attempt to replace the garbage disposal unit that I currently have. So this is an InSinkErator, as you can see, and I got a replacement InSinkErator from Home Depot. Okay, so let's try to replace this. Before you do anything, you would want to read the instruction manual thoroughly. It has everything that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to follow things from the instruction manual and remove the existing garbage disposal and replace it with the new one. Okay, so here goes. Already turned off the electric supply, and now I'm going to get rid of the old garbage disposal. First thing I have to do is I have to disconnect the drain right over here, and then I have to disconnect this dishwasher input. So let's do that. So let's disconnect the drain. And there's this thing over here as well. Okay, so there's some water leaking. Let me just take care of that. Okay, the drain pipe is out. Right, so I think it's a better idea to keep a container under these pipes while you're working on this removal. That way at least your floor will be protected. Now let me remove the inlet for the dishwasher. That's this one. So I'm just going to unscrew this. Okay, so that's out. Just going to leave that over here. Now after we disconnect the drain and the dishwasher connector, the next step is to remove the actual unit itself. So to remove the garbage disposal, what I need to do is I need to use this wrench, put it over here, and turn this in an anti-clockwise manner, and this will free fall. So what I'm going to do is I need to use my hand below the unit so that it does not fall. So let me do this. Okay. I'm going to turn this on anti-clockwise and it's going to do a free fall. Okay, so okay, there you go. Now this thing is a little heavy. Okay, so there you have it. Now I'm going to disconnect the unit from the electrical connection. So I'll have to remove this part over here and remove this thing. Okay, so let me remove the cover. Okay, cover's out. Okay, and then I'm going to remove these wires over here. So let me remove this as well. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect the old unit from this connector, and just to be sure, I have this tester over here. Okay, yeah, there is no power over here. Okay, let me remove the old wire. Oh, I need to remove this ground wire as well right over here. Just gonna pull these wires out. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to reuse this with my new unit, so I have to remove this guy as well. So I'm going to save this unit for my new garbage disposal. So let's get rid of this old unit. Ouch. So here's my new garbage disposal, and since the new one is same as the old one, I'm not going to remove this attachment which fits at the bottom of the sink. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Since I'm going to connect the garbage disposal to the dishwasher, I need to get rid of this drain plug over here. So as per the instructions, I'm just going to turn it around, and then I need to use a screwdriver to get rid of the drain plug. So let's do that. So the drain plug has been removed. Now we are going to connect the garbage disposal to the electrical supply. So first I have to remove this over here. Okay, this, and remove these wires. Okay, so this is the live wire, this is the neutral wire, and this is the ground. Now attach the connector over here. So this is from the old unit. So I'm going to put this here, twist it. Okay. Now I'm going to pass the wire through this. And I have to pull it out. Okay. Okay, like this. And now I have to tighten the screws over here. So if you look at this, I have to attach the black wire with the black one, white with the white over here, and this goes to ground. Let me start off with the ground first. So this wire is long, let me just cut it. There, over here. Okay. The ground wire is attached. Now I'm going to attach the live wire and the neutral wire. Okay, live wire is done. Let's do it to the neutral wire as well. Now I'm going to insert these wires into the unit. Okay, over there, and this one over here. Okay, and then close the cover. Good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this garbage disposal to the mounting unit, and I have kept the old mounting unit as it is because it's just the replacement, so I don't need to change the mounting unit. So I'm just going to lift this unit, align this guy over here, and then turn this over here. Then I use this wrench over here, just drag it to the end. That's what it should be. Now I can move around the unit like this. So they haven't supplied this connector, so what I had to do is I had to just get this from the old unit, and this goes to the drain pipe. So let me attach that over here. So let me connect the drain pipe. And then use this U-shaped connector. Drain pipe is connected, and now let's connect the dishwasher pipe, which is this one. Let's tighten the screw. We're all done over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the electrical supply, and let's see if this works. Now let's shut down the water supply, remove the stopper, and turn on the unit to see if things work fine. So I'm just going to remove this drain plug, and let's turn this on. Okay, there you go. So the new garbage disposal unit is working fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.